Meaning of innocently.
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 Innocently. The word innocently is an adverb that describes someone acting or behaving without guilt or wrongdoing. It can also refer to a situation or action that is unpremeditated or lacking in malice. For example, if someone innocently makes a comment that inadvertently offends another person, they did not intend to cause harm or hurt feelings. Innocent behavior can also be seen as naive or inexperienced, especially when a person is unaware of negative consequences that may arise from their actions. Ultimately, acting innocently means having good intentions and not intentionally causing harm to oneself or others.